In this exercise, you're going to create a simple looping macro that when you click the button, it will generate a series of numbers in these cells here. Now to do that, I must make sure my developer tab is on, as I've got here. I then click on Insert Button. I create my button as before. Okay, new macro. Now it's called button tone click. I'm going to change that so that it says number generate. So it's going to generate some numbers. Okay, and then I'll just check that it works. Oh, it's telling me macro may not be enabled for this work. What I've done there is I haven't assigned the correct macro, so it's number generate in this workbook. Okay, tick it, it now works. Now what I need to do, the macro doesn't do anything at the moment, so what I need to do is put some code in it. So I'll go back onto this, look at my macro that I've got here, edit it, see what I've got. So number generate. So what I'm going to do is create some simple code. So I'll create the first line, which is what we call a for loop. So I'll go for a loop equals 0 to 9. A loop is a variable which is going to go from 0 to 9. Okay. I'm then going to use some commands here, which if I just tap along there. So this is saying range cell B37 dot offset. So from moving from cell B37, a loop, which is the number of rows down, and then the number of columns along, dot value equals a loop, whatever a loop is, plus 1. And then next finishes the loop. Okay, so we're going to run this just to see what it does. So I'll close it, click on here, and then you can see it's generated a whole series of numbers. And if I want to edit the code, I go to assign macro, edit the code, and you can see exactly what the code is doing here. So for those of you who are reasonably good at programming, you can go through and have a look and see how this works. I just want to make some changes just to put the text in the button set so that we know what it's doing. So I'll call it generate numbers. And there we go.